Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create WebIIS server using bootstrapping in our AWS new dashboard. So let's move to AWS console. As you can see, we are in our EC2 dashboard. Here click on launch instances. In search bar type Windows Server and hit enter. Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base is good for our testing purpose. Click on select. T2 micro is good. Click next configuration. In configure instance details, scroll down to bottom and provide here user data. This user data will install WebIIS role on this particular server, and then it will add welcome to OneMinuteLab Easy Learning in HTML file. After adding user data, click next. We do not need any extra storage. Click next. Add tag. In key type name. In value type any meaningful name. After typing name, click next configuration. Here we need to allow HTTP port. For this, click on add rule. Click on drop down menu. Choose HTTP. Then click on review and launch. Then click on launch. Click on I acknowledge and launch instances. Scroll down and click on view instances. Here it will take couple of minutes, so we have to wait. As you can see, our WebIIS instance is ready and status check is check 2x2 paths. If I click on WebIIS and copy its public IP and open this IP in new tab, as you can see, our page is successfully loaded. Hope you like this video. Meet you in next video.